What's up, guys? Welcome back. Found a brush to my floor. Just put that back there. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I really want to do something super casual. I'm in the midst of putting together my beauty room. I feel like I've been saying that for the past 3 months, but for some reason, this has been such a long process. It's been taking me so long to try and figure out how I want everything. I'm sort of just been taking my time so that I don't change things around like 30,000 times. So I only very recently got my vanity set up, and it's been so nice being able to actually do my makeup and not sitting on the floor. It's been great. I actually did a whole vanity revamp. I took my old green vanity that was in my apartment and I basically like completely DIY'd it. I'm so proud of myself. I painted it dark blue and it gave it such a different vibe, and I'm so happy with it. Once my beauty room is actually finished, I will be doing a beauty room tour and I'm going to be showing you guys how I DIY'd this vanity because I did take some footage of that. So this vanity is where I do my makeup every single day. So I really wanted to have a place where I have all of my most used makeup just right in front of me, just so I didn't have to go back and forth between my storage closet where I hold all of my makeup to here every single day when I want to do my makeup. I just want to have all of my most used products just at the ready so that getting ready could be really quick and simple. So I figured I would take you guys along with me today as I go through that giant thing trying to pick out the products that I want to put in here. Now, I really want to try not to overload this vanity. I don't want there to be like a ton of products that it makes it almost overwhelming to do my makeup. I want to make sure that this little tiny collection that I'm going to create for this vanity is going to be really curated. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy it. Of course, don't forget to let me know all of your thoughts down below, and don't forget to also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you wanna join the fams. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you guys the actual vanity, even though this isn't supposed to really be like a vanity tour. I need to show it to you. This desk is from West Elm. It's the mini mid-century modern desk, I think it's called. It fits perfectly in this little nook over here, so it was perfect. And like I said, I painted it this really deep dark blue to sort of go with the rest of my room. So this is the drawer where the everyday makeup is gonna live. I'm probably gonna be able to put some palettes back here, but I'm really gonna try and just keep everything in these 5 containers. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all gonna fit just fine. All right, that's the vanity. Now let's actually put some makeup into it. Okay, let's do this. So let's first start off with foundation, concealer, powder, primer, all of that. So I want like 3 foundations in vanity. I want something really sheer, a little bit more of a light coverage, and something more medium full. So for the medium full foundation, I think I'm gonna take the Armani Luminous Silk. It's so funny because I used to use this all the time and loved it, but I think I completely forgot about it. I've been using it so much recently, not just when like I wanna go out, but even on an everyday basis, and I've been loving it. It lasts so well on the face. It has such a pretty like natural luminous finish. It's just so nice. For my light coverage foundation, definitely gonna be putting in my MAC Face and Body. This is a favorite light coverage foundation for me. You guys probably know that. I talk about this stuff all the time. It's just such a great, easy foundation to wear, and it feels like nothing on the skin. It's also so nice in the summer. Last but not least, the It Cosmetics CC. Are you even surprised? Do I even need to explain why this is my all-time favorite everyday foundation? If I didn't put it in my vanity, there would be a problem. So that is definitely going to be going in there. I think that's good for foundation. So now let's do some concealers. Right now, these are the 3 concealers that I've been sort of like cycling between. So I feel like I have to have them by my side at all times. So first things first, we've got Shape Tape. I'm not even gonna say much about this. You guys know the drill with that one. The Nars Soft Matte Concealer is such a beautiful concealer. I love this. Has such nice coverage. It doesn't look cakey, but it's also not too dewy. Such a beautiful product. And then lately I have been just so in love with this concealer from Clinique. It's the Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. I have been sort of using it in place of my Bare Minerals serum, which you guys know I love. For my powder, I think I'm only going to put 1. If you see my last video where I'm putting the Becca Hydra Mist head to head with the Hourglass Veil, you already know how much I love this product. It is just the most beautiful powder I have tried in the longest time. It's so good for underneath the eyes, for all over the face. It gives a little bit of radiance, but nothing too crazy, and it just makes your skin look poreless, and it doesn't dry it out. So It's probably excessive to have more than one primer, and really I only use primer to hydrate my skin. So I think I'm gonna put in my Pixie Rose Flash Balm. I've been really liking this a lot recently. It doesn't really make my makeup last super long or anything like that. It really just makes everything sit really nicely on my skin, so I'm gonna put that one in there. So I think that's going to be it for my concealer, foundation, powder, primer. So now let's move on to this drawer, which is all of my like powder, blush, highlight, bronzer products. So, okay, this is going to be difficult. I mean, it's not that difficult because in reality, I could just walk across the room and get any product that I don't have in there, but I don't know. For some reason, I feel a lot of pressure doing this. So for my blush, this is pretty easy because these are literally the only 3 blushes that I've been putting on my face recently. These 2 Clinique blushes are just the cutest things ever. They are the Cheek Pop Blush Pop blushes in Peach Pop, Pink Pop. They're so nice, so easy to wear. I'm actually wearing Peach Pop on my cheeks today. I don't know if it's still there because I put it on quite a long time ago. I was gonna put Matte Mocha, but now I'm reconsidering, and I think I'm gonna put Gingerly instead because it's a little bit more nude, and because I'm putting 2 brighter colors, I want something a little bit more neutral in case, you know, I want to go for more of a toned down look on any particular day. So for my bronzer, I'm actually gonna put the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer in there, and that's because right now I'm like really into more of like those luminous bronzers that give your skin a little bit of a glow, just because the weather is getting nicer, and for some reason as soon as it gets like sunny and hot outside, I just want to be glowing from like my head to my toes. So this bronzer has just been perfect, and I've been using it a ton, and it's just a really pretty glowy bronzer that isn't shimmery or sparkly or too glowy. It's just also a very flattering color. For a cream bronzer, Nude Sticks Bandai Bay. I'm wearing it on my face today actually. This is my all-time favorite cream bronzer. It blends beautifully, it looks beautiful, it's just such a nice product, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping that in there. And then for highlighters, I think I'm really only going to put in liquid highlighters. I don't know why. There's really not a reason. It's just like something that I get more drawn to towards like the spring, summer months. I feel like that happens with a lot of people. It's definitely not just me. Let me know down below if you're the same. But I'm gonna put just these 2 liquid highlighters. This is the Lancome Custom Strobing Drop in Champagne Glow. This is a new favorite of mine. It is one of the most beautiful, natural looking liquid highlighters that still gives you like an intense glow while still being not too intense. That probably makes 0 sense at all, but I think you guys know what I mean. And I'm also going to be putting in my Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. This is a product that I've fallen back in love with. I've actually been using it a ton on my body, like on my shoulders and décolleté. I don't know why, but I feel like because it's like a champagne color, it just works really nicely on the body. So I'm gonna be putting that in there as well. I think I'm gonna skip on any powder highlighters as of right now. Yeah. So up here is where a lot of my palettes are. I also have some of my eye products and pencils and all that stuff. So let's pick some stuff from this section as well. So for an eyeshadow palette, you know what? No. I was gonna include the KKW Mario palette, but I actually haven't even tried this yet. I've sort of been saving it for a video. I don't even know what I want to do with this, so I'm gonna just keep it in here for now. I've actually been really liking this palette from Too Faced. It's the Natural Matte palette, and it has all of these just very simple matte shades in here. It's not like a super exciting palette, but it's really nice for everyday. It sort of has all those shades that I am personally drawn towards on an everyday basis. So I think I'm gonna put this one in here and probably pair it with another palette as well. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna do the Too Faced palette as well as the Anastasia Soft Glam, just because this is the most perfect palette for every day. And I also find that this is really beautiful for when I want to like amp up my look for a nighttime. It has all the colors that I typically go for. This is super random, but it's one of my most used like glittery type of products. It's the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows, and this is in Kitten Karma. If you want something that's just like easy to apply, easy to work with, and that's like no fuss glitter, these are perfect. So for my brows, these are 2 of my favorites. Got the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. It's like a classic. This is literally hairspray for your brows. And I'm also gonna put in there my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4. This is one of my favorite, more precise brow pencils. I've been really enjoying it lately. I sort of switched between this one and the Nude Sticks brow pencil, so I'm probably gonna end up like switching between both of those, but for now I'm gonna put the Benefit one in there. So for mascara, I am so sorry because this is like the bougiest thing ever, but I'm going to put in my Sicily So Curl mascara. This is like a stupid expensive mascara. I actually bought this for a video because I wanted to test this out against a way less expensive alternative, and I ended up just really liking it, and I've been using it quite a lot because this is actually supposed to condition your lashes and sort of just make them grow. So I'm trying to use it as much as possible for investigation purposes. I really want to see if this is actually gonna help my lashes grow any longer. So I have 2 eyeliner products that I'm gonna include. I really rarely wear eyeliner in my waterline, but when I do, it's almost always a dark brown. So I'm just gonna put this one in there just so I don't have to like sift through all of these pencils when I want to actually find this. And this is the Stila Smudge Kajal eyeliner in the shade Espresso. I love the Stila eyeliners. They're some of the best, I think. I really find that they just last a really, really long time in the waterline. Another one that I actually really like is the Marc Jacobs brown one, which I'm totally not going to be able to find now. Oh my god, I don't know. It's somewhere in like the sea of eyeliners. I gotta find a better way to organize these because I can never find what I'm looking for. And as for my black liquid eyeliner, I've actually been really enjoying this new one from Smashbox. It is the Always On liquid eyeliner in black. It's just a simple liquid eyeliner. It works well, it's super black, it lasts throughout the day. I find it like hard to find a liquid eyeliner that is exceptionally different from everything else I've ever tried, but this one is really good. So I'm probably just gonna keep that in there until I use it up. So for lips, I'm actually putting in quite a few products. I have 2 of the Fresh lip balms. I've been obsessed with these Fresh lip balms. They're so hydrating. They just give like a really sheer tint to the lips. They're really easy to wear and the colors are just so pretty, and it also gives your lips such a pretty glossy effect. I'm gonna put these 2 shades in. This one is the sheer pink lip treatment, and then this one is in the shade Tulip, which is my current favorite. It's a really pretty, just like soft rosy color. Also gonna include my Fenty lip gloss. This is like one of my go-to lip glosses, my Bite Agave lip mask, and then this is my go-to pinky nude lately. It's the Lancome Absolu Lacquer in the shade Nuit et Jour 202. Such a pretty, just like nude pink. It gives a little bit of a gloss, really long wearing. Honestly, all the colors in this range are so good, but this one has been my go-to. I'm only gonna put in 1 lip liner. This is 3C from Makeup Forever. It's one of my favorite nudes. I also really like 1C, just can't find it anywhere. So when I do find it, it is totally going in the drawer, but for now, I'm just gonna put in 3C. Okay, I am gonna include some skincare products in there as well. I'm gonna put in a facial mist. This is my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna put in the Sicily Youth. Not really for any particular reason other than the fact that I want to finish this. For my eye cream, I'm gonna put in the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. For my SPF, I actually have not yet tried this one, so I'm gonna put it in there so that it reminds me to try it. This is the Drunk Elephant, what's it called? The Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense Protection. It's basically an SPF 30 and it has a little bit of a tint to it. So I want to try this on a day where I'm not wearing any makeup and I sort of just want to see how it wears and if it, you know, works. I think that's it. I think that's everything I want to include currently in my makeup vanity. Let me know, by the way, if you'd like to see me do this once every few months. So it would actually be pretty cool if I sort of did like a revamp every few months and I showed you guys like what I'm currently keeping in my vanity and do the same type of video. Let me know if you guys would want to see that. So now let's actually put all this stuff in there and we'll see what it looks like. So here's the final product. I'm actually pretty happy because every single container basically is its own category. So you have complexion, you got face, eyes, lips, and then skincare. So it's super organized and I love the palettes in the back. This just worked out so great. I'm very pleased. So guys, that's it for today's video and I hope you guys enjoy just helping me pick out my makeup for my vanity. Don't forget to let me know all of your thoughts down below. Let me know if you'd like to see more just like casual vlog style videos like this. I really love doing them. They're so much fun to do for me. So that's it and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.